Hi everyone, my name is Laura with Energy Savers Fireplaces. Today I'm going to show you how to change your batteries on your fireplace remotes. So tune on in and I'll show you the whole process. Alright, so first things first is not only do you have batteries in the back of your remote by sliding down this little cover, you also have batteries underneath here. I'm going to show you how to look for those. You'll know if your batteries need to be changed if there is a red blinking light. This one has fresh batteries, so it's not showing that, but I'm still going to show you how to change them. Also, you'll notice here, there's a switch that says off, remote, and on. If you want to use your remote, you have to have it obviously in the remote setting. If you were to lose or break your remote and you just don't want to worry about it turning on, you can switch it to off. Also, if you were to lose or break your remote, you can manually turn it to on and it is going to light your fire for you. You can do that in a power outage too, which is nice because there's no electricity connected with this. But let's get back to changing the batteries. There's a little plate right here. It's like a push button. So you push it in and out is gonna pop the tray. When you're replacing your batteries, don't use batteries that have been sitting on your shelf. A lot of times you have to go to the store, get fresh new batteries. There is a difference. So if you notice yours aren't working, go to the store and get fresh new ones. Another thing to check out when you're replacing, is there any corrosion on the inside? These look pretty clean. You can tell if there's corrosion by a little powdery substance. If you notice that, wipe it off with a paper towel and make sure all the springs and connectors are all clear of corrosion. That can prevent your unit from working. Another silly thing is to make sure all of your batteries are put in the right way. There's been a handful of times, even on myself, where I did not put them in, or even the homeowner I've been helping over the phone did not put them in correctly. So what you're going to do is you're going to put fresh new batteries in here. At the same time, with this pulled out and kept out, what you're going to do is put fresh new batteries in here, or if they're still working, you're going to pop out a battery, because what you're doing here is disconnecting the signal. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put this battery pack back in. We're going to put this battery back in, put the cover on, and you hold the button down until it beeps. It actually did beep right away there. So now what we can do is turn on the fireplace with the remote. You have fresh new batteries underneath here, fresh new batteries in here. We reprogrammed it by holding on the on button to hear the beep, and you're ready to go for the year. You may have to replace batteries once a year to prevent the corrosion alone. Corrosion can really be a problem for the electronics. So when you're starting out fresh for the new year, before the season starts, that's the time to replace the batteries. If you need anything else, give us a call at Energy Savers Fireplaces.